welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be doing a deep clean in my breakfast area and kitchen. If you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. I do all kinds of videos. I do like cleaning, hauls, decor, things like that. So if you like those types of videos, definitely subscribe. And if you like cleaning videos, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. I do want to thank Odor Cleanse for sponsoring this video. They have sent me their sink and disposal cleaner, and it actually deodorizes your sink and disposal area. So after a while, if you notice that grimy smell that comes out of your sink, this will take care of that. And all you do is you pour in half a cup to a third, or a third a cup to a half a cup of this into your disposal area or your sink, even if you don't have a disposal. And if you do, or after you pour it in, you kind of let it set for a little bit, and then you turn the water on. If you have a disposal, you're going to turn that on at that time, and then it kind of rinses out and cleans out the inside and takes away the smell. And then if you want it to smell fresh and clean afterwards, you can throw in some lemon or lime or whatever you want in order to give it a freshened smell. So I plan to use this product about once a month when I'm cleaning my kitchen, and just kind of put it into my routine about once a month to keep that smell away out of my sink. So if you are interested in this product, I am going to leave a link down below to where you can order if you would like to try it out yourself. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into the deep cleaning. Alright, so this is the before cleaning my kitchen, and I'm going to go ahead and start with the breakfast area first, and then I'll move over to the kitchen. Alright, and then I turn the light off, and I'm going to be dusting the light fixture with a dusting cloth, and then I will go ahead and turn the lights back on when I'm done with the light fixture. Here I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner and the radish scent just to clean off the table. Alright, now I'm going to be dusting the top of my hutch, and this is not too bad because I do try to do this once a month or once every other month, so it's actually not horrible. Now I'm using the Method glass cleaner for all the glass on the hutch, and then I'll still be using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray for the rest of it. Alright, and then I'm going to take out all of my china, and this is actually like my nice china that we really have never even used much. So I do this twice a year usually, and so I'm just going to pull all of this out and then clean the shelves. The top shelf is a glass shelf, and then the bottom is just the wood, and then I'm going to put all of it back in. Alright, now I'm going to start on the normal part of cleaning our kitchen, and then we'll move on to the deep clean after all of the stuff is picked up and put away. my sink, you're going to see me just kind of clean with dish soap like I normally do, and then I'm going to do a little bit more of a deep cleaning of my sink by using baking soda and just kind of spreading it out all around. And then also I'm going to be using my odor cleanse to get that smell out of my sink.
I'm gonna send a sign calling you over, calling you to my life.
Alright, so for the odor cleanse, I'm just going to put a third a cup into the drain and let it sit there for a little bit. And then while it's sitting, I'm going to put baking soda all over the inside of the sink, and I'll just kind of show you guys what the sink looked like before. So this is the before, and you can kind of see the a little bit of the brown spots, and the baking soda is going to help with that. And I did plan on deep cleaning the dishwasher today, but because I had so many dishes that still needed to be washed, I decided to go ahead and run the dishwasher, and then I'll just do the deep clean of the inside tomorrow using water and vinegar.
If you are ready, I'm gonna reach you. I got a feeling you're gonna reach me too.
Right now I'm just taking all the stuff off of the counter and putting it on top of the kitchen island, so that way when I start cleaning from top to bottom, none of this stuff gets dirty.
We're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line.
Alright, so I'm going to start by dusting the very top of the cabinets, and this has not happened since we moved in, and we moved in at the end of July, so this desperately needed to be cleaned up here. And I'm going to just kind of go around and clean all the tops, and then you'll see me do the cabinets, and I'm just working my way through the kitchen top to bottom. And I'm going to be cleaning the cabinets with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray as well.
It's now or never. We're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Find behind the line. Behind the line. We can run the world.
Alright, and now I'm going to be cleaning off the top of the stove, and this I actually do pretty often, but today I'm using water and vinegar. I felt like I like the multi-purpose cleaner actually better than using water and vinegar on this, but I just wanted to try to see what it looked like after I was done. And I definitely think the multi-purpose spray doesn't leave as many streaks on this type of stove, so that's just my opinion.
I'll move to the beat, my favorite song. Keep it on repeat, please don't.
Alright, I'm using the Method stainless steel to clean the top and the bottom of the stove, as you will see here. Alright, and then just for today, I'm not going to be doing a deep clean of the inside of the oven, even though it needs it. I am going to save that for another day.
I won't let you down.
Alright, now I'm using the Method Daily Granite Cleaner to clean the countertops, and then I'm going to use the multi-purpose spray to clean the backsplash.
No, we don't need to think twice. It's alright. You're my melody. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away.
Alright, now I'm putting water and vinegar in the microwave for 5 minutes to start the deep clean of that. And then now I'm going to go ahead, while that is heating up in the microwave, I'm going to start on the cabinets, and I'm just using the multi-surface spray again.
I'll be waiting for you.
And I do kind of wipe down my cabinets pretty often, not to this extreme, but I don't usually do the very bottom as much, and I just couldn't believe how much food and stuff was on the bottom, and I definitely think I need to do that more often.
Just say you want. I won't let you down. So we can dance through the night. Keep it tight. You're my melody. No, we don't need to think twice. It's alright. You're my melody.
done, I'm just going to take it out using a glove because it's super hot, and then I'm going to clean the inside of it out. We actually just cleaned the tray off the other day, but we didn't actually clean out the inside part, so the tray was already clean, but I just needed to get a good deep cleaning of the inside of the actual microwave. Alright, now I'm using the Method stainless steel cleaner to clean the microwave, the dishwasher, and the refrigerator. Alright, now I'm putting everything back on the counters because it's all nice and clean.
Could be fake, just a blink of a moment, and it's gone.
Alright, so now I'm going to turn on the disposal and run some water to kind of let the odor cleanse do its job and get rid of that smell down deep inside of the sink. And then I'm putting a little bit more baking soda as I clean the inside of my sink to give it a nice deep clean.
Could be fake, just a blink of a moment, and it's gone. We keep falling down until we start to tear.
Alright, now I'm going to be using the Method Daily Wood Cleaner to clean the top of my island off, and I love this stuff. I tell you guys in every video, if you don't have it and you have wood or you want to dust with something that smells wonderful, you have to try this. Alright, now I'm getting the very, very bottom of the cabinets, of like the baseboard part, and these were disgusting, so I had to do a lot of scrubbing, and I used the multi-purpose cleaner here. Alright, now I'm moving on to the island. I'm getting all the cabinets and everything on the island because I don't normally clean the under part below the bar stools and all of that stuff on a regular basis, so I'm making sure to get all of that nice and clean.
About to give up, but I won't.
Alright, now that all the deep cleaning is done, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum and mop the breakfast and kitchen area. And you'll see I go ahead and pull the chairs back. I've recently started doing this. I'll pull the chairs away from the breakfast area and I'll vacuum and then go ahead and mop so I can be done with that and I don't have to keep pulling the chairs back and forth. And then I do the same thing with the bar stools.
But we can still be strong. So wipe out all your tears. When words die, when we're falling apart, hold your hand.
And in case you're wondering or you're new to my channel and you don't know, I just recently, earlier in the month, got the Dyson V7 for my vacuum, and I love it. It makes vacuuming so much easier, especially since we have stairs, and just being able to go around the entire house without having to unplug, replug, watch for a cord, and all of that. And then I also, for mopping, I use the Bona mop, and I will have the links for those down in the description box below in case you would like to check those out. So now all of my deep cleaning of the kitchen is done except for the oven and the dishwasher. Is it clean, buddy? Is it clean? I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some major cleaning motivation to get your house deep cleaned or spring cleaned or whatever it is, anything done today. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Check us out on Instagram at Team Darley if you would like to get to know us a little better, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.